Hello everyone, myself Pankaj. Welcome to Being Fish Co. In this video, we will talk about some important one-liners very useful for your JRF exam as well as fishes related other competitive exam. So let's start. First of all, cephalopods having external shell coiled and chambered with circummoral appendages, so they are nautilus. Bivalve species known as shipworm, they are pteridoi species. Kidney shaped dark scare identifying character for, so it is the identifying character for Crassostrea madracensis. A poisonous shelled mollusk, it is conus. A mollusk with cap-like form, univalve, and have conical body, they are limpet. Metapenis brevicornis is generally called as, so it is generally called as yellow shrimp. Scientific name of kuruma shrimp, it is Penis japonicus. Blood of crustaceans is blue due to, so it is due to hemocyanin. Taxonomy with emphasis on interspecific variation and their evolutionary relationship, so these are known as gamma taxonomy. Daphnia belongs to order Cladocera. Except head, entire body covered with carapace in case of Ostracoda. Concentration of formalin required to preserve the marine shellfishes, it is 5%. Feeding mechanism used by planktivorous, it is sieving and straining. Planktivorous filter the food particles from water by gill rakers. Guts of mullet has characteristic feature of gizzard. Largest digestive gland in fish, it is liver. Spiral valves are characteristic of shark. Conus arteriosus found in elasmobranch. Yearly ring found on scales of fishes, annulus. Teleost scale developed from posterior part of lateral line. Part of stomach adjacent to intestine is pyloric stomach. True herbivorous fish has absence of true stomach, absence of mandibular teeth, and they have long intestine. Index of preponderance associated to gut content analysis. In majority of teleost, fertilization is external. Fully developed ovaries occupy 70% of the body weight of a fishes. Volumetric method of food analysis includes eye estimation, point estimation, and displacement estimation method. Fish epidermis is thin and without keratin. Then layer of dermis, dash layer of dermis has loose network of collagen and reticular fibers. It is stratum spongiosum. Okay, so that's all for this one liners. Very useful for your JRF exam as well as fishes related other competitive exam. We discussed it. Thanks for your patience. Keep sharing the video. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. Till then, stay safe.